good morning. And it's August 4 today. And 7:30 a.m. I think. And mag-grocery lang ako saglit. Cause my school starts tomorrow. Kaya magbibili ako ng mga foods and other stuff for baon. Tsaka ulam namin. It's a morning class, so kailangan kong kumain before leaving the house para mas guests. So, I got some eggs. And I got croissant. And bacon. Tapos ito random meat na gusto ko pang ulam. And chicken breast. I got 2 because magki-creamy chicken sana ko for later na dinner namin. Because I forgot the cream, so I don't know kung anong luluto ko dito later. And I got 1 more chicken breast for my salad. And I also got yung turkey because I wanna try because this one's healthier. Daw. So gusto ko siyang try kung magustuhan ko. And ang salad lang. Tapos yun nga, mushroom. And I got some Red Bull for the hubby. Dalawa lang kasi ito siya kayong akin. And 1 coffee for me for tomorrow. Yun lang. Naglinis mo na kami kusina. Later!
Walang pasok na nung suka. Dapat pasok patulan yan eh.
Als je vrouw niet zoveel lang nog niet gehad.
Nagwa ko siguro sa ano. Mano, natamis na. Yung malalaki. Ito oh. Hinilot-ilutin mo muna para makuha yung puti. Matamis?
Mas ganun pa marmalada.
Nee, joh. Ja, eigenlijk niet, hè.
Hani leses malauw van de dings nog bra. Voor de dings allemaal marmalade gemaakt. Voor de flessen. Nee, ja, niks nog
Ja,
van.
dat is het.
Nou, clean.
Hindi next year daw. Next year ng April yata.
26.
Ay, 25 pa lang. Pero yan, ready ko lang yung shirt ko and pants. And then, my wallet. It's a cinnamon roll that I got sa Orange app way back pa. And sa bag ko is ano lang. I don't know what to bring kasi since sabi included daw doon lahat yung mga school books and other stuff. Pero nagdala ko ng 2 notebook. 4 na ballpen. Puro black lang to. Or this one's blue. Pero this 3 is black yung tint. And then for emergencies, you know, we'll never know. My alcohol. Sunstick. And a lip balm. Yun lang. Oh, and my gamot sa sakit ng ulo. Yun lang. Yun lang ang dadalhin ko. Ayan, ready ko na yung breakfast ko. I'm gonna wash my face first and then probably change na and then saka ako kakain if ready na ako, I guess. Okay, good morning y'all! It's my first day of school, let's go! Guys, nahulog ko yung wide lens. I was trying to put it sa camera, pero parang matutumba yung cam ko, so nasalo ko siya. Tapos pinatong ko siya somewhere. So nung nahulog siya, dito na. Sira na. Okay. I'm gonna straighten out my bangs first. Wait lang. I think. Ow. Dito. Okay siya. Nagutom na ako. Okay ko lang, guys. I kind of fucked up my hair. Ang liliit nung kulot, pero okay na yan. Ayan na natin. Anyway, kakaalis lang nung gumawa excuse me, kakaalis lang nung gumawa ng oven namin or yung nagpalit ng oven namin. And I have 15 minutes before I leave, so nag-update lang ako. And I'm just gonna bring my coffee to the Bahnhof. And I'm just gonna drink it there while waiting for the train. So I'll be leaving in a few minutes. I'm so nervous pag naisip ko, but kaya natin to. Let's go! Okay, I'm gonna update again later paglabas ko. Hopefully, I don't get shy na mag-video sa labas. So, I'm walking already to the train station. And it's gonna be like almost 10 minutes walk. So, I'm almost at the Bahnhof. Doon siya. So, hindi pa daw tapos yung first class. I'm on my way home. So, tapos lang ng class ko. Hindi na ako abot dun sa bus. Whatever, next na lang. guys! We're home. Ay, nagsusi ko na po. Here, kapag sinabit mo, tada! Cute lang. Anyway, my first day was fun naman. Hindi nag-English yung teacher. As in, like, straight German siya from the moment you enter the room. So, buti na lang din nag-aral ako before that. So, you know, at least I have knowledge already. Naiintindihan ko naman yung mga sinasabi niya mostly. I mean, there are some na hindi ko maintindihan. But, yeah.
Me and my girl, they got them party and it's early, sweet, my family and the world is tonight.